Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save your website with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. To save your website in Wix, begin by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard of the website you want to save. In the left sidebar, locate the Site option. Click on Site to reveal more options. You will see a drop-down menu. Select the Save option from this menu. Wix will prompt you to confirm that you want to save your changes. Click on the Save button to proceed. It's important to note that saving in Wix does not publish your site. To publish changes, look for the Publish button located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Publish once you are ready to make changes live. After publishing, Wix may display a notification confirming your site is now live. You can view your site by clicking the link provided in the notification. Additionally, consider saving your site as a backup. To do this, go back to the dashboard and find the Site option again. This time, select Site History from the drop-down menu. In the Site History section, you will see previous versions of your site. Choose a version you would like to restore and click on it. Then, select the Restore option to revert to that version. Remember to save your changes after restoring. Finally, it's good practice to regularly save and publish your site to ensure all updates are live and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.